The Little Bird Who Learned to Sing. Once upon a time, in a bright green forest full of tall trees and dancing flowers, there lived a tiny blue bird named Chikku. Chikku had the softest feathers, the shiniest eyes, but there was one problem. Chikku could not sing. Every morning, the forest woke up with songs. Tweet, tweet, sang the sparrow. Coo, coo, sang the dove. Tra-la-la, sang the nightingale, but Chikku only said, chirp. The other birds flew high and sang loud, while Chikku sat quietly on a branch. Maybe I'm not a real bird, Chikku whispered sadly. The rainy day. One cloudy day, dark rain clouds covered the sky. The wind blew whoosh, whoosh. The rain fell splash, splash. Suddenly, help, help, cried a baby bird stuck in the rain. All the big birds were too far away. Chiku's heart went thump, thump, thump. Even though he couldn't sing, even though he was small, Chikku flew fast. He flapped his wings as hard as he could, guided the baby bird to safety, and kept it warm under his feathers. A beautiful surprise! When the rain stopped, something magical happened. Chikku opened his beak and a sweet, gentle song came out. It wasn't loud, it wasn't perfect, but it was beautiful. All the birds gathered around. Your song comes from your kind heart, said the owl. Every bird sings differently, smiled the sparrow. Chikku smiled for the first time ever. Happy ending. From that day on, Chikku